Today I am reviewing the CalDigit TS4. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're working in a modern setup with a laptop, especially something like a MacBook, Windows Ultrabook, or a high-performance USB-C device, you've probably already run into one major limitation. And that limitation is ports. Not enough USB ports, not enough display outputs, no Ethernet, no SD card reader, and constant cable swapping. That's exactly the problem the CalDigit TS4 is designed to solve. And in many ways, it doesn't just solve it. It completely transforms your workstation. The CalDigit TS4 is an 18-in-1 Thunderbolt 4 docking station. And right away, that number tells you everything. This is not a basic hub. This is a full-scale professional docking solution built for creators, developers, video editors, engineers, and power users who need everything connected at once and need it to work flawlessly. Let's start with connectivity, because this is where the TS4 really dominates. You get a total of 18 ports packed into a single compact dock. That includes multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports with blazing fast 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, multiple USB-C and USB-A ports running at 10 gigabits per second, high-speed SD and micro SD card readers, audio in and out ports, a DisplayPort 1.4 output, and even a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port for ultra-fast wired networking. In real-world use, this means you can connect almost everything to your laptop through a single cable. External monitors, storage drives, keyboards, mice, audio equipment, network cables, everything runs through one hub. And speaking of that single cable experience, that's another major highlight. The TS4 delivers up to 98 watts of power delivery. That means it doesn't just connect your laptop, it charges it at the same time. So whether you're using a MacBook Pro or a high-end Windows laptop, you can plug in one cable and instantly turn your portable machine into a full desktop workstation. No extra chargers, no extra clutter. Now let's talk about display support, because this is where things get even more interesting. On compatible systems, the TS4 can support a single display up to 8K at 30 Hz, or dual displays up to 6K at 60 Hz depending on your device. For Windows users, you can run dual 4K displays at 60 Hz easily. For Apple users with higher-end chips like Pro, Max, or Ultra variants, you can push dual 6K monitors, which is ideal for professional video editing, design work, and multitasking workflows. However, it's important to understand that display support depends on your laptop's capabilities. For example, entry-level Apple Silicon chips have limitations on external display output, but within supported hardware, the TS4 performs extremely well. Another standout feature is the 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. This might not sound exciting at first, but for anyone working with large files, cloud storage, NAS systems, or streaming workflows, this is a huge upgrade. It delivers up to 2.5 times faster speeds than standard gigabit Ethernet, which means faster file transfers, smoother network performance, and better stability compared to Wi-Fi. Build quality is another area where CalDigit clearly did not cut corners. The TS4 feels premium, solid, and purpose-built. It's not a lightweight plastic hub. It's a professional-grade dock designed to sit on your desk and stay there for years. The design is clean, minimal, and functional, which makes it easy to integrate into both office and creative setups. Compatibility is also a major strength. The TS4 works with a wide range of devices including Thunderbolt 4, Thunderbolt 3, USB 4, and USB-C systems. That includes Apple Macs across multiple generations, Windows PCs, and even some tablets and USB-C smartphones with the right support. That said, one important detail to understand is that to get full performance, you need a proper Thunderbolt 4 or fully capable USB 4 port. If you use older or limited USB-C connections, performance will naturally be reduced. But within the right setup, the dock operates at its full potential without issues. One of the most practical advantages of the TS4 is workflow simplification. Instead of managing multiple adapters, dongles, and cables, everything becomes centralized. You plug in one cable, and your entire workstation comes alive instantly. That alone can save time, reduce clutter, and significantly improve productivity. For professionals who work with large media files, multiple displays, external storage, or high-speed networking, the TS4 feels less like an accessory and more like a core part of the workstation. Of course, this level of performance and build quality comes at a premium price. The TS4 is not a budget dock. It is positioned clearly in the professional and enthusiast category. But when you consider what it replaces, multiple hubs, adapters, charging bricks, and network solutions, it becomes easier to justify its value. In conclusion, the CalDigit TS4 is one of the most complete and powerful Thunderbolt docking stations available today. It delivers exceptional connectivity, fast charging, high-speed networking, and professional-grade display support in a single, well-built unit. If you're someone who wants a clean, efficient, and powerful desk setup with minimal cable clutter and maximum performance, the TS4 is easily one of the best docking stations you can invest in. It's not just about adding ports, it's about transforming how you work.